In today's video, I'm going to show you how to monitor your website traffic in Google Analytics 4 using the real-time report. To get started, log into your Google Analytics account and make sure you're viewing the correct property for your website. Then, in the menu on the left, click Reports. The Reports section is where GA4 organizes your website data into easy-to-review dashboards. For a live view of what's happening on your site right now, select Real Time. The Real Time report shows activity from the last 30 minutes. Here you can see how many active visitors are currently on your website, which pages or screens they're viewing, and where those visitors are located. Quick side note, for more practical Google Analytics tutorials, subscribe to Ecom Control. Use this report whenever you want a quick live check of your traffic, for example after publishing a new page, sending an email campaign, or sharing a link on social media. It's a useful way to confirm that visitors are reaching your site and engaging with the pages you expect. And that's it. You're now using the GA4 real-time report to monitor your website traffic.